Hi everyone, your April 2026 SSI payment is starting on April 1st. Millions of Americans depend on Supplemental Security Income SSI. Their daily survival from grocery, rent, and this monthly payment plan of the critical role of the keeping household finances stable. Now the Social Security Administration has officially confirmed the April 2026 payment will be begin on April 1st. But in this just not the another routine update. This month is marked on beginning of the constancy pattern of the payment and will continue the several months for the many people understanding of the sexual mean the difference between the peace of mind and the statistic in this video. I will explain your SSI payment is coming, how the system work and what changes later in 2026. Let's start the update. SSI update for April 2026 will the set of Wednesday, April 1st. SSI usually paid on the first day every month, but sometimes payment are set early in the first of all weekend and holiday. In the April is no delay. April 1st is normal weekend, so payment will issued right on the time. This makes April one of the most predictable month of the SSI resets. So if you qualify for SSI, you can expect your money bill set on April 1st without any changes or surprise. Starting in April, SSI payment will follow the pattern of the next 4 months. This means payment will be set on the first of the month April, May, June, and July. And to help people with limited income resources, this included seniors of 65 year older, individual who is blind, on people with disability including children. To qualify your income, for example, individual typically must be less than $2,000 in resources, with the couple may be stunned under $3,000. They are also limited earning too much from work and disqualify you receiving benefits. Currently, nearly 7.4 million of Americans will receive SSI payment every month. About one of the third them also receive Social Security benefit. Even though payment set on April 1st does not always means you see money instantly. If you use direct deposit on their fund usually arrive on the some day of the within 24 hour. But if you receive paper checks, it take few extra day arrive by mail. Thanks for watching this video.